This is your Fly Rod Chronicles Time for Education, presented by the state of West Virginia.
So Scott, thank you for having us down here at the Adventures on the Gorge.
My pleasure, Curtis.
In almost heaven, West Virginia.
Almost heaven.
I call it heaven.
It is heaven.
Yeah. You know, when I got out on the water with you, first of all, we got a lot in common. You know, we love fly fishing.
Absolutely.
And it was good hanging out with you for a couple of days. But immediately, I noticed something around your neck, and we do tips that for our state of West Virginia and talk about things. And I noticed the clicks around your neck. Yeah.
They're the greatest things in the world.
Right. So I got lectured by my eye doctor because I wear an expensive pair of glasses that when I'm fishing, they get beat up by all the, my lanyards.
Absolutely,
and they get
everything.
So I come home and they're scratched. I spend hundreds of dollars on my glasses, okay? So I wear prescription sunglasses, but the problem is when you go to tie something, it's dark because of the sunglasses. So what do?
It's the only things I can use anymore. If I don't have my clicks, I can't tie flies.
And you don't actually. I'm not pushing the brand. These are just a cheap little pair right here that you throw around you throw around your neck like this, and you bring them up, right? And they're magnet and they click, right?
Yeah.
And then everything's magnified right here. And when you're done, you put them like here. And if they get scratched, somewhere between $15 and $50.
50 are the really expensive ones.
Right.
Yeah, $15. Always got them.
Right. And your eye doctor don't chew you out when you go back and they're all scratched up.